If you're dreaming of living in a lovely stone house in a beautiful Tuscan village, this might be for you. This characteristic home is in the village of Belforte in the province of Siena. It's about 60 kilometers southwest of Florence, where the nearest airport is, and about 25 kilometers southwest of Siena, where the nearest hospital is. It's also about an hour from the Tuscan coast. Highlights of this 227 square metre property include 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, plus a habitable attic which could be used as a 3rd bedroom. There is also a basement cellar with interior and exterior access, and a 750 square metre plot of land with olive trees. This spacious, move-in ready house has a cottage feel with exposed beam ceilings, built-in storage shelves, and a stunning original fireplace. It also has lovely wooden shutters, windows and doors throughout. A new owner might want to update her kitchen, but it's still fully functional. It could be a wonderful opportunity to create a dream Tuscan country kitchen in Tuscany. It's on the market for €150,000. If you like this property and have any questions, please contact the realtor directly. A link to their original listing can be found in the video notes below. Thanks so much for watching, liking, sharing and subscribing. Your support is really appreciated and allows us to keep making videos of houses we love in Italy